Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Today we are starting our third chapter, that is numbers in Indian and international system. So in this chapter we will study how to write and read a number in Indian and international system. I am sure that you read the same chapter in your previous class. I am sure that you know how to read and write a number. So we will move further into the same concept. We will read some bigger numbers. So my first topic is Hindu Arabic Indian system of numeration. So what is Hindu Arabic number system? Basically this system was developed by the ancient Hindu mathematicians in India and was carried to the west by the Arabs. For this simple reason, this method is called Hindu Arabic system of numeration. In this system, there are 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all these symbol is called a digit. So we basically there is a table. We use this table to read and write a number. We basically start writing our digits from the right hand side, from this side. This table is divided into four blocks, or we can say four period. Firstly, we have ones period, then we have thousand period, then we have lakh period, then we have crore period. This first our ones period is divided into three digits: ones digit, tens digit, and hundred digit. Our thousand period is divided into two digits, that is thousand and 10,000. Our lakhs period is divided into two digits, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and in the end, our crores period is divided into two digits, crore and 10 crore. So, wherever you get a number, you start filling your number from the right hand side. Suppose my number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have to write this number in Indian number system. So, I'll write my first digit into the right hand side, then we will move to the left hand side like this. Now I will read this number according to the Hindu number of system. Let's take an example, some bigger example. So my number is this: 7438132256. as i said as I said that we start writing our number from the right hand side. I will write 6 into the ones place, I will write 5 into the tens place, I will write 2 into the hundred place, then I will write 3, then I will write 1, I will write 8, I will write 3, I will write 4, and I will write 7. Now I need to read this number according to Hindu number system. So to read a number, basically we read a period together. Numbers which are coming into a single period are read together. So first we have crore period, and there are two number coming under this. So I'll read like 74 crore. Now I'll move to the left hand side, right hand side. Here we have lakhs period, and there are two digits. So I'll write 38 lakhs. In thousand period, I have two numbers 1 and 3. I will read this like 13,000, and the digits in one's period are read along with it. They are not read together. So I'll read 256. So my answer will be 74 crore 38 lakhs 13,256. I hope you got it how to read a number according to this Indian system. We will solve some more example. So my next number is 7456123. So first I will make the same table: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Now I will write the number from the right hand side. I will write 3 here, I will write 2, then I will write 1, I will write 6, I will write 5, I will write 7, and I will write 4. Now I will write this number. So my crore period is empty, so I will leave this period. Now my next period is lakhs period, and in lakh period I have 74. So 74 lakhs. Now I have thousand period, and there are two number 5 and 6. So I will read 56,000. Now I will read 123. So my answer will be 74 lakhs 56,123. I hope now you got the concept how to read a number according to Indian system of numeration. Now we will move to international system of numeration. In this system, we have the same concept. We start writing the number from the right hand side. We have, but here we have some different type of periods. In this system, we have three periods. There we had four periods. First we have ones period. Here we have ones, tens, and hundred. Next we have thousands period. So in thousand period, here we have three digits: thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And in millions period, we have three digits: million, 10 million, and 100 million. So we don't have lakhs period here, we have millions period. Now take an example and we will read the number same like previous example. So my number is same number I have using 7456123. So I will write 3 here, I will write 2 here, I will write 1 here, I will write 6 here, I will write 5 here, I will write 7 here, and I will write 4 here. We will use the same concept. We will read the period together. So my first period is million period, and I have a number here 7. So I will write 7 million. Now I have thousand period, and here I have three numbers 4, 5, 6. So I will read it as 456,000. So 7 million and 456,000. Now I have ones period, and I will read the like same 123. So my answer will be 7 million 456,123. I hope you got it how to read the number in international system. Take one more example. I have a number 61786425. Now I will write the international system of numeration: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now I will write the my number, that is 5, 2, 4, then I have 6, 8, 7, 1, 6. I have filled all the entries. Now I will read the number according to the period. Here I have millions period, here I have thousand period. So in million period I have 61. So I will write as 61 million. In thousand period I have 786. So I will write 786,000. And in the end 425. So my answer is 61,786,425. So here is your answer: 61,786,425. Now you have exercise 3, very simple and very short exercise. In this exercise you will you have some numbers and you will write those numbers according to Indian and international systems in words. So my first question is this: write the following numbers using Indian system or international system as required in words. In words means you need to figure out the commas, these commas. If these commas are placed according to the Indian number system, so you will write the number according to Indian number system, or if these commas are placed according to the international number system, you will write number according to the international number of system. So my first number is this: 435342. So 435342, this is my ones digit, tens digit, hundred digit, then I have thousand, then I have 10,000, then I have lakhs. So I'll read it as 4 lakhs 35,342. Very simple. Take next example. Here I have 428,30,004. Just make in your mind that table. What was this table? Just read into your mind. I am moving from this side. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. So my first number will be 4 crore, then 28 lakhs, then 30,000 and 4. So my answer will be 4 crore, 28 lakh, 30,000 and 4. My next question is 815906. So if you figure out, there are comma after 3 digit and we have 3 digit. So if you remember, in international system, in single period we have 3 digit. We have 3 digit in ones period, we have 3 digit in thousand period, and we have 3 digit in millions period. So we can see that this number is, we will write according to the international system. So my first period is ones period and my second period is thousand period. So I'll read it as 815,906. So my answer will be 815,906. My next example is 5 comma 420 and 700. Very simple. I will write as 5,420,700. Write the following number placing the commas according to the Indian system. Now in this question we are given a number, we have to place the commas according to the Indian number of system. So we know that in an Indian number system we place comma according to the period. My first comma will be after crore period, my second comma will be after lakhs period, my third comma will be after thousand period. So we will write commas according to this. If I'm taking this number 835629, so my first period contains 3 digit, so I will make 1 comma here. My second period, that is thousand period, contains 2 digit, so my second comma will be here. So this question is solved. This is my second number, 282640. Now in our ones period we have 3 digit, 1 2 3. My first comma will be here. In my thousand digit, my second comma will be after 2 digit, so I will make comma here. And in lakhs period we also have 2 period, so 2 digits, so here we have 2 digit. So my question is solved. We read it as 28 lakhs 26,040. Now we have to place the comma according to the international system. My first number is 6509820. In international system we have comma after the 3 digit, because in every period we have 3 digits. So my first comma will be here, my second comma will be here. So my question is solve. Very simple. 6,509,820, or we can say 6,509,820. Fill in the blanks. 4,67,306. You have to write this number in numeral form. So 4,67,306. Make the same table: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Then we have lakh. So 4 lakhs. Write 4. Then we have 67,000. So we will write 67 under 1000 period. Then we have 306. So 306. So my question is solve. 4, 67, 306. Now we have to write this number in international system. So we already have write this number 467306. We need to just place the comma, and we know that in international system we place comma after 3 digit. So we will place comma here. So my question is solved. 467, 306. Now we need to write this in international numeration. International numeration means we have to write this number in words. So my number is this 467306, and this is my 1000 period, this is my 100 period. So I will write 467,306. Very simple. 467,306. So this is it. This all we have in this chapter. This is very small chapter. Now take some questions, solve some questions, and if you have some problem you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe at your home.